Everyone thinks the best chest workouts at home are just about push-ups and dumbbells. But is that really true? If you dig a little deeper, you'll find some unique equipment that can really amp up your routine and help you achieve those gains. Product number 1: WAKISA Twister Arm Trainer. First up, we have the WAKISA Twister Arm Trainer. Priced at $39.99, this adjustable hydraulic power chest workout equipment immediately caught my attention with its impressive resistance range from 22 to 440 pounds. If you want to really challenge yourself and build strength at home, this is worth a serious look. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you can find the right strength to push your limits without risking injury. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 850 reviews, it's clear that many users are seeing results. Plus, it's designed with a golden ratio triangle structure to ensure stability during your workouts. Now, some people complained about the weight of 2.65 kilograms being a bit cumbersome for storage. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your workout routine, a little extra weight means durability, and you can always find a dedicated space for it in your home gym. This is perfect for you if you want a highly adjustable piece of equipment that caters to all fitness levels. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultralight and portable. Honestly, at this price, you're getting a fantastic value for such a versatile piece of equipment. Product number 2: Eastmount Twister Arm Exerciser. Next up is the Eastmount Twister Arm Exerciser, priced slightly higher at $44.99. This one also boasts an adjustable hydraulic resistance ranging from 22 to 440 pounds, which I found pretty appealing. If you want a stable and durable option for serious strength training, this is definitely worth a look. With its double-layer steel tube construction, this machine promises durability while providing a stable workout experience thanks to its scientific triangle structure. Users love that it avoids those annoying rebound issues that can lead to injury, making your home workout safer. A solid 4.4-star rating from over 7,100 reviews suggests it's a popular choice among fitness enthusiasts. But here's the thing, if you primarily focus on chest and arm workouts, this won't be a deal breaker for you. It still delivers an effective workout for those muscle groups. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable piece of equipment that offers a safe and effective workout experience. Skip this one if you're looking for total versatility in handle adjustments. Overall, it's priced fairly for the quality and performance you get. Product number 3: HOTWAVE Push-Up Board Fitness. Coming in at number 3 is the HOTWAVE Push-Up Board Fitness, priced at $52.99. This portable and foldable push-up board really caught my eye for its unique design that targets specific muscle groups effectively. If you want to amp up your push-up game, this is worth your attention. It's compact, making it an excellent choice for home use without taking up too much space. With a rating of 4.5 stars from over 5,700 reviews, it's clear that many find it a valuable addition to their fitness routine. Some users did express that the board can feel a bit flimsy under heavy weight. But here's the thing. If you're using it for standard body weight exercises, it holds up just fine, and it's designed for portability. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional piece of equipment that's easy to set up and use anywhere. Skip this one if you prefer heavy weights over body weight exercises. With all that functionality, it really delivers great value for the price. Product number 4: IUT Solid Push-Up Board. Next is the IUT Solid Push-Up Board, priced at just $19.99. This is a steal for anyone looking to master their push-up form. If you want an affordable yet efficient way to target multiple muscle groups at home, this one is worth considering. With 15 angled slots, this push-up board allows you to target your chest, arms, and core effectively. It's made from heavy-duty ABS, ensuring it can support users up to 600 pounds. The design is especially friendly for your joints, which is crucial for those who may struggle with wrist pain during push-ups. A solid 4.5-star rating from 4,700 reviews indicates that users appreciate its stability and effectiveness. However, some users noted that the board doesn't come with a detailed instruction manual. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you can find plenty of online resources to help guide you through various push-up techniques. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers on the quality front. Skip this one if you need advanced features or specific workout instructions. For under $20, it's an excellent value. Product number 5, Oscillating Slim Twister Arm Trainer. Last but not least, we have the Oscillating Slim Twister Arm Trainer for $21.99. This one caught my eye for its unique U-shaped spring bar design, which can help you achieve a variety of upper body workouts. If you want a simple yet effective tool for muscle building, this is worth checking out. The U-shaped spring bar acts like your personal trainer, guiding you through multiple muscle groups including chest, arms, and shoulders. The thickened anti-slip foam handle keeps you comfortable while working out, and it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to store. With a 4.4-star rating from 1,500 reviews, users find it practical for home workouts. Some users did mention that the spring may not provide enough resistance for advanced users. But here's the thing, if you're just starting out or looking to maintain your fitness level, it serves its purpose well without overwhelming you. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward tool that can be used anywhere. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle heavy weights. At this price point, it's a solid addition to your workout arsenal. So there you have it. The WAKISA Twister Arm Trainer, East Mount Twister Arm Exerciser, HOTWAVE Push-Up Board, IUT Solid Push-Up Board, and the Oscillating Slim Twister Arm Trainer all offer great options for chest workouts at home. Each has its unique features and price points, so you can choose one that fits your needs and budget. Remember, the best workout is the one you'll actually do, so pick what excites you and get to work.